Deep beneath the ocean's surface, where sunlight fades into darkness, a hidden world comes to life. In this alien realm, creatures have developed extraordinary ways to communicate, flashing lights, invisible signals, and even chemical codes we're only beginning to understand. What secrets lie beneath the waves? And how do these creatures talk in a world without sound? Join us as we dive into the mysterious language of the deep sea, only on Savannah Pulse. Subscribe now and explore the unseen wonders of our ocean. Imagine a world where creatures communicate in complete darkness, not with words, but with flashes of light, pulses of electricity, and invisible chemical signals. A secret language that's been evolving for millions of years, one that humans are just beginning to decipher. The extreme conditions of the deep sea. Total darkness. Without sunlight, deep-sea creatures must rely on other senses and unique communication methods to find food, avoid predators, and navigate their world. Crushing pressure. At thousands of meters below, the weight of the ocean would crush most surface-dwelling creatures instantly. Limited resources. With scarce food, every interaction is a matter of life or death. Cooperation and deception go hand in hand. In this alien world, where eyes glow and bodies flash in the darkness, creatures have developed astonishing ways to communicate. Silent signals, invisible to the human eye. But what do they mean, and how do they shape the hidden society of the deep? To understand these messages, we first need to uncover the language of light, electricity, and chemistry, the secret codes of the deep sea. In the deep sea, being seen can mean being eaten, but some creatures have mastered the ultimate survival trick, becoming invisible. With color-changing skin, pulsating lights, and even shape-shifting abilities, squid are the deep ocean's true illusionists. The science behind squid camouflage. Bioluminescence, the language of light. Many deep-sea squid emit light from special organs called photophores, allowing them to blend in with faint light from above, counter-illumination. Flash bright signals to warn predators or startle prey. Mimic other creatures to avoid detection. Dynamic skin, color changes, instant camouflage. Squid use special cells called chromatophores to shift their skin color in milliseconds. They mimic rocks or even glow like jellyfish to stay hidden. Some can even create hypnotic color waves to confuse both prey and predators. Why? Camouflage matters. Survival, hunting, communication. Avoiding predators. By blending in or mimicking other creatures, squid can outsmart deep-sea hunters like giant fish, sperm whales, and even other squid. Hunting prey. By appearing invisible or using flashing patterns, squid can lure unsuspecting fish into striking range. Silent communication. Some species use color changes to send signals to each other. Warnings, mating displays, or even cooperative hunting tactics. For squid, camouflage isn't just a disguise. It's a matter of life and death. Their ability to control light and color makes them one of the most elusive and intelligent creatures of the deep. But camouflage is only one part of their secret communication. What other hidden messages do they send in the darkness? In the deep sea, where sound doesn't travel far and vision is limited, some creatures have developed a different way to talk. Instead of words, they use light, flashing, glowing, and pulsing in ways we are only beginning to understand. But what are they saying? And how do other squid know how to respond? How squid use bioluminescence to communicate. Attracting mates. The deep sea's light shows some squid create dazzling light displays to signal their readiness to mate, almost like an underwater Morse code of love. Example: the firefly squid in Japan produces stunning synchronized light waves to find partners in the darkness. Defending territory and warning rivals. Some squid use rapid, aggressive bursts of light to scare off intruders. Example: the Humboldt squid can flash red and white patterns when agitated, almost like an underwater strobe light. How scientists are deciphering squid light signals. Marine biologists have begun using high-speed cameras and infrared sensors to analyze squids' flashing patterns in detail. Some researchers believe squid may have a full visual language, similar to how humans use body language. Imagine if we could one day translate these glowing signals into sentences, understanding not just how squid talk, but what they're actually saying. But bioluminescence isn't the only secret language of the deep. Some creatures use something even more mysterious: electric fields and invisible signals. Could this be the key to unlocking the ocean's greatest mysteries? In the deep sea, where survival is a constant challenge, you might expect every creature to fend for itself. But some squid defy this expectation, displaying surprising cooperation, teamwork, and even social bonds. Could these highly intelligent creatures be more connected than we ever imagined? Unlike solitary hunters, some squid team up to corral schools of fish, using light and movement to trap prey. Example: the Humboldt squid hunts in packs, using flashing color signals to communicate attack strategies. This behavior is similar to how wolves or dolphins hunt in groups, an unusual trait for invertebrates. By coordinating their strikes and sharing the feast, these squid increase their chances of survival, proving that even in the depths, teamwork matters. While many squid species lay eggs and leave, some deep-sea species show signs of protecting their young. Example, the deep-sea octopus, a squid relative, has been observed brooding its eggs for 4 years, the longest known incubation period in the animal kingdom. Could certain squid species display similar parental instincts? In a world where survival is never guaranteed, some squid may have evolved to protect their young, ensuring the next generation gets a fighting chance. Some squid form loose schools or coordinated pods, moving in patterns that reduce their risk of being hunted. This behavior mirrors fish shoaling, suggesting squid have more complex group dynamics than previously believed. From hunting strategies to defensive formations, deep-sea squid reveal an astonishing level of cooperation, hinting that their intelligence and social behavior may be far more advanced than we ever realized. But the most remarkable secret of all, some squid may even recognize and respond to each other as individuals. Are we witnessing the foundation of a complex society hidden in the ocean's depths? For years, we believed squid were solitary hunters, drifting through the abyss alone. But what if they aren't as isolated as we once thought? What if, beneath the ocean's surface, an unseen society exists, one built on cooperation, communication, and intelligence? New research suggests that some deep-sea squid may recognize each other as individuals, forming short-term alliances for hunting or protection. Some species display consistent social behaviors, such as synchronized movements or responding uniquely to certain signals. These behaviors suggest that deep-sea squid may be more than just instinct-driven hunters. They might be part of something bigger, an intelligent, adaptive community in the darkness. Why understanding squid social behavior matters. As both predators and prey, squid are a crucial part of the ocean's food web. Changes in their behavior due to climate change, overfishing, or pollution could disrupt entire ecosystems. Understanding squid communication and social patterns helps scientists predict how they will adapt or struggle with environmental changes. Could disrupting their habitats affect their ability to work together, hunt, or reproduce? If we want to protect the deep sea, we need to understand not just individual creatures, but the invisible connections that hold this world together. A call to protect the deep ocean. The deep sea regulates global climate, supports fisheries, and hosts countless species yet to be discovered. Human activity, deep-sea mining, climate change, and overfishing threatens this delicate ecosystem. Support policies that limit deep-sea exploitation, reduce plastic pollution, and support sustainable seafood choices. Encourage more deep-sea research funding. The more we know, the better we can protect. The deep sea is one of the last great frontiers of our planet, an alien world right underneath our own. If we protect it, we may not only save these incredible creatures, but unlock secrets about life itself. What other mysteries are hidden in the deep? Subscribe to Savannah Pulse and dive deeper into the wonders of our ocean.